Hi guys, this is me, Juvivay again. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. So for today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin, let's talk about how to set an appointment or take civil service examination on civil service or CSC na lang. CSC, okay? So, watch until the end guys para may matutunan kayo or makuha kayong idea with this video. Pag-uusapan natin yung step-by-step na process kung paano makapag-set ng appointment or makapag-take ng exam sa Civil Service Commission. So, basically guys, may tinatawag tayong online or walk-in application. Now, let's talk about the walk-in application. Kung ano ang gagawin ninyo pag walk-in application. So, first of all, maghahanap kayo ng pinakamalapit na Civil Service Commission Field Office. Kasi doon mo mismo kukunin yung form or doon ka mismo magbabayad for filing your examination. So, ang gagawin mo, maghahanap ka ng nearest branch na mayroong Civil Service Commission Field Office. Example nito, search nyo sa Google, nearest branch Civil Service Commission Field Office. For example, search nyo Civil Service Commission Field Office, Tacloban, Leyte, ganun. Or Manila, Marikina, Ortigas, ganon. So, since ako ay taga-Tacloban, Leyte, nag-search ako ng Civil Service Commission Field Office, Tacloban. And after searching it, syempre, pupuntahan natin yun. Yun ha. First step ay mag-search ka kung ano yung pinaka-nearest branch na Civil Service Commission Field Office para hindi ka na mahirapan yung area na malapit na lang sa'yo. Take note guys, after searching it, may makikita kayong mga pages. Yung mga pages na to, dun nila pinupost yung mga announcement nila na updated. For example, page ng Civil Service Commission ng Tacloban City. So, dun nila pinupost lahat ng updated post nila kung kailan may available na appointment for examination. And if ever guys, hindi mo talaga mahanap or ma-search sa online yung address or location na hinahanap mo na gusto mong makuha, you can directly go to City Hall or local government sa inyo para dun ka mismo mag-inquire or magtanong kung ano ang pinakamalapit kasi most likely alam nila kung saan ka magpa-file ng civil service exam. Kaya pwede ka din pumunta doon sa pinakamalapit na City Hall, pwede ka din pumunta sa City Hall or sa local government unit sa inyong lugar. And also guys, before ka pumunta doon, you need to search kung qualified ka ba for taking this examination. Dahil may qualification sila. So, kailangan mong alamin kung qualified ka ba to take this examination or hindi. And the next step natin guys ay make sure guys na pag pumunta kayo doon sa location kung saan ka magfa-file for your examination, you have your own ballpen and also pwede ka na rin magdala ng sarili mong paste. And don't forget to bring 4 copies of your passport ID dahil nga hihingiin nila ito sa iyo na requirements. Make sure talaga na meron kayong mga requirements before going to the Civil Service Commission Field Office or local government na pagtatanungan ninyo kasi baka on the spot papuntahin kayo sa Civil Service Commission Field Office tapos syempre one day process lang ito at syempre nakakapagod yung pabalik-balik ka. Mahal ang pamasahe, mahal ang dool. So, bring all your requirements na lang para mas madali at hindi ka na mahirapan. Kasi mahirap yung naiwan mo yung ganito, uuwi ka, babalik ka, kukunin mo, 'di ba? So better na bring all the requirements that needed. Okay? So para wala nang problema. So most important talaga yung passport IDs mo, meron ka nun. So, magpa-picture ka muna to make sure na hindi ka nalalabas habang nakapila dahil mahaba ang pila, guys, while filing this examination. Mahaba, hindi lang ikaw yung nagpa-file, mahaba, marami kayo. So, make sure na hindi ka nalalabas para hindi ka na pabalik-balik or uulit sa pila. Make sure to bring a ball pen, a paste with you, and all the requirements na needed talaga. Paulit-ulit ko ito sasabihin para hindi nyo makalimutan. And also, pag andun ka na, kailangan ready ka na din sa pambayad mo, which is yung 500 pesos na kailangan mo. Pero kung ayaw mo talagang pumila ng sobrang tagal, mag-early ka para ikaw yung mauna sa pila. Ayun lang, guys, and I hope you learned something in this video, and sana may na-share din ako sa inyo dahil nga taking a civil service is not just easy. To tell you honestly, guys, limited ang pagtitake ng civil service examination. Kung hindi ka makapasa, you can file again. So, kahit 10 take ka pa. Ayan, unlimited siya, and pwede kang mag-retake as long na meron kang pambayad. Pero sayang, so you need to study para maipasa mo to. And anyway, good luck sa mga magtitake ng civil service examination, and I hope na makapasa tayong lahat. Ayan, guys, I hope you like this video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share sa iyong friends na magtitake din ng civil service examination. I hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye!